Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, today we're going to change the file ending on a file. So I'm going to start off with importing the OS module and then creating a function. And the function is called change ending. So we're going to change the ending of a file. Okay, so we're going to create a path here, which is going to be to my desktop. So that's going to be C://users desktop, and the folder on there is one that I've just created called X. Okay, so that is the folder I have just created, and we're going to change into that folder. Remember, look at the path on here. This is the path for my particular computer. It's not the path for yours. So you will have to find the path to your computer, or else if you just type this in, it won't work on your computer. Okay, so we're going to use os.chdr to change the directory to the path above. Right, okay. So let's pop this back up here a minute. 1 second. Save a bit of space. So my file is going to be equal to test.txt. Now I already have a file in there that I've created called test.txt in this directory here, X. Okay, so the new file, I want to change the name to, I'm going to call this new file extension. So I want to change the extension name on it to, let's see, I can change it to anything, but I'm going to change it to .png. Okay, so I want to change this file here, test.txt, to test.png. So here we start off with a conditional called if my file ext extension dot ends, oops, let's spell that right, ends with .txt, which we know it does, we're going to do something. So it's going to be I'm going to create a variable here called my new extension. My new extension here is going to be equal to os.path.split text. Okay, .split text, and that's going to be my file ext. It's going to be my file ext. I'm going to put the 0 here, which is going to be starting here. So we're going to change the extension name, and then we're going to tag on the new file extension, which is here, this one here, .png. So we want to change it to that. Okay, now we do os.rename, rename, and that's going to be my file ext. Oops, spotted a little mistake here, sorry about that. That should be ext. Okay, so my file ext. So we're going to change that extension name. I'm going to swap it to my new extension. So we're going to swap it over to my new extension. and then we're going to print something out so the user can see what's happening. So new extension is, okay, I'm going to do a format string here, so that's going to be format new file extension. ext. Okay. Right. Okie dokie. So now we're going to have to do the else. Else, if that goes wrong, we're going to print the user an error message. Simply, an error has occurred. Okay. Now all we have to do is run it by calling the function, and the function's name is change ending. Let's save it. Hope I've not made any typos, and let's run the program, shall we? So first of all, let's just have a look in the X directory here. So we've got test. Let's have a look at this. Where's the properties? Down there. Okay, test document.txt. Okay, so let's go back to this one, wherever it is. It's here. Let's run the program. Okay, new extension is .png. Okay, so I want to see that for myself. Is it? Has it worked? So let's go and find it, which is going to be here. And there you go. Type PNG. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. There you go. PNG file. So it's called test.png now. So there you go. I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. I think there's something like 80% of you that are not subscribed. Not good enough. You have to subscribe and help support the channel, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.